Stall letters. Stall letters can be one of the most frustrating aspects of the credit repair process. These letters are often sent by creditors or credit bureaus as a way to delay your disputes, making you feel like your progress has come to a halt. However, understanding how to navigate these stall letters can empower you to keep moving forward in your credit repair journey. When you receive a stall letter, it's important to stay calm and not let it discourage you. Instead of viewing it as a setback, consider it an opportunity to reinforce your case. These letters typically indicate that the creditor needs more time to investigate your dispute, but they also often come with requests for additional information or documentation. This is where your knowledge and organization come into play. Take the time to read the stall letter carefully and understand what information is being requested. Gather any supporting documentation that you may need, such as payment receipts, account statements, or correspondence related to the disputed item. By providing thorough and accurate information, you increase your chances of a favorable outcome. While waiting for a response to your dispute can feel frustrating, remember that persistence is key. Stay proactive by following up with the credit bureaus or creditors if you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame. Politely ask for updates and reiterate your request for a thorough investigation. The more you engage, the more likely they are to prioritize your case. It's also essential to maintain a positive mindset throughout this process. Credit repair can take time, and receiving stall letters is a normal part of the journey. Celebrate the small victories along the way, like successfully disputing inaccuracies or making progress in improving your credit score. If you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure of your next steps, remember that we're here to help. Our service is just $53, and we guarantee results. If you don't see any deletions or positive updates, we'll fully refund your money and redo the work for free next month. Plus, we don't need your social security number to get started. Your privacy is our priority. We've been helping people improve their credit since 2016, so you're in good hands. So, if you're ready to tackle those stall letters and keep moving forward, just head over to CreditFixGuy.com to get started.